very special experience is a canal trip through Bruges, past the magnificent facades of the old town. The view from the water is one of the most beautiful perspectives of the city, even if you have to duck your head under some bridges. Rhine is the Flemish name for the canals. The small canals run through the medieval city like veins, lined with bridges, churches, restaurants and gardens. And it is precisely this contrast between old walls and clear water that is an essential part of the magic of Bruges, especially when you look at Bruges from the water. A Bruges sightseeing excursion isn't complete without a canal tour. Boat tours typically last about 30 minutes, cruising around the historic city centre and passing landmarks such as Groningen Museum, Old St. John's Hospital and Basilica of Holy Blood. Even if you choose not to spend the night in Bruges, the city is small enough to explore on a day or a half-day trip from Antwerp, Brussels, Ghent and even other European destinations such as Paris and Amsterdam. I explored Bruges on a half-day trip when I was traveling from Paris to Amsterdam. I have already released a video with the must-to-do things in Bruges, so don't forget to watch that video. The link is in description box. Traveling to Bruges on Belgium's excellent rail system is a natural choice. Trains to and from Brussels leave every 30 minutes for Bruges station. The journey from Brussels Midi to Bruges takes about an hour. You can also travel from Brussels Central or Brussels North on the same line. If you have visited Amsterdam and walked along the canals, you might be surprised when seeing the canals in Bruges. Here the canals are relatively inaccessible. There are just a few places where you can actually walk along the canals. To really explore the canals, secret gardens, beautiful architecture and wonderful views, you should explore Bruges by boat. It is quite fun driving through all the small canals of the city and you get to see many things in a very short time. The views of monuments and centuries-old buildings are just fantastic. If you are exploring Bruges through water, the chances are that you have spotted more than a swan or two. Floating along the canals in big numbers as they do, these beautiful swans are the symbols of wealth and power since the 15th century.